welcome back to So Rachalistic. Today I'll be making some experiments, layering liquids and colored ice. So first experiment we'll be doing is layering liquids. So our first experiment is layering liquids. What we'll need is oil, soap, water, food coloring of your choice, and a container. I'm using a test tube, so I'm going to be holding it in this, but if you have a flat surface like this, go ahead and use it. So I'm going to open it up and leave it in here so I can work. First, we will need our soap. Time to pour it. Okay, let's see what this is. Yep, this is great. So I've added my first amount of soap. Next, when the food coloring comes, I will need to add some red food coloring. I'll get a spoon and show you. So I made my red water. So I made my red water, and next I'm going to pour that. Hopefully I don't make it big. So look, we made a cool little flare. I want to pour out of it, but be careful when you're doing that. Next, finally, our oil. Be careful with oil because you do not want to stain anything. And we are finished. Ta-da! Now, here is our final experiment. The science behind it is that this order is going heaviest to lightest, so it's staying this way. But what if you reverse the order? It will mix. So soap is the heaviest, so it'll go on the bottom. Then water is a bit lighter, so it'll go on the top. Then oil is lighter than water, so the oil will go on above the water. Do not mix this, otherwise it will just not stay like this. Our second experiment is going to be multicolored ice. So this big block of ice I made, and what we'll need is salt, different colors of water. I have blue, green, and red. And next, we're going to sprinkle the salt on top of your ice. Next, we're going to drizzle. Whoa, right guys? This looks cool. There we go. Then we'll need this to pour on. I feel like thicker is. I feel like this part works best. Or not. So, last but not least, green. This looks kind of cool, right? And the main thing is that you'd find me. Okay, I'm just trying to pour green. Maybe use a bit more blue on the edge because there's a lot of blue. Then, how cool is this? Okay, ta-da! And sometimes it might mix up, so kind of be careful about that. And ta-da! We have made our project. You can also, if you don't have time to make your own ice, you could, or don't have that much time to freeze your water, you might you could still use ice from your fridge, that's fine too. The science behind this ice is that when you use salt, it's melting faster. See, it's gonna melt faster. When I use salt, it's going to melt. Salt is a way to make your ice melt so then we're just trying to multicolor it, and it looks like a cool look too. That's what the science behind this project is. Well, bye guys. Make sure to try out these projects, and I hope you like this video.